Hello everyone, thank you for watching Sony Computer Technology Private Limited videos, and we are the leading manufacturer of liquid cooling kit in India. So this is one of my favorite cooling kit setup, in which we have a 360 mm semi-monster copper radiator. So this one, as you can see, is 45 mm thick. We have 400 mm long reservoir. Yeah. Then we have one of the best CPU water block, which base is made of copper, nickel painted, and the top is acrylic. It's very big in size, plus it's have an inbuilt LED, so you can have a little LED dance if you want. You can connect it with the CPU power supply. So this what you will get with the water block. You will get the back plate as well, and you actually don't need it because we have all the washers to connect the screws and one set of compression fitting. With reservoir, you're going to have the clamps, two compression fitting, two stoppers, one both side male thread fitter, and then the DC pump. The DC pump itself is very powerful. It's able to push 400 liter water per hour with vertical lift of 4 meters, so it's more than enough to handle this setup. And if you want, you can add another chipset water block or GPU water block, and it's still gonna run fine. So this is the first setup. If you want, as you know, the reservoir size doesn't make much difference, it's just for looks. So if you do not want to go for this one, you can always go for a little bit smaller. You can have this 300 mm reservoir. The diameter is same, 50 mm. Or if you want a more smaller reservoir, you can have 190 mm. And if you want more smaller, we also have 110 mm. Or if you want more smaller, then we have a pump with inbuilt reservoir. So we have all the options available. And if you do not want a reservoir at all, you don't want this much big radiator, but you want the same performance, then just take this radiator out. I'm taking it out of the equation, and you get our 240 mm monster radiator. Yes, it is 65 mm thick monster radiator, 240 mm, and it have G1/4 threads right here in the sides, in the side and on the top as well. So you can connect it like this, or like this, any way you want. Plus, you see, we have a fill hole right here, so you can remove this and you can fill the coolant from here right into the loop. So you do not need any reservoir or anything else to fill the loop with the coolant, and you can treat it as a radiator along with as a reservoir, so you do not need any of these stuff then. So this is the second setup which I recommend. So these are the two setups, one with 240 mm monster copper radiator or 45 mm semi-monster 360 mm copper radiator. You can add reservoir with this as well if you want. It's all your personal preference. So just a suggestion. So thank you for watching our video, and we look forward to serve you. Thank you.